In this video, I'll show you how to recover an unsaved document in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. To get started, open up Microsoft Word and click on File at the top of the ribbon. Then we're going to go down to Info. From here, select on Manage Documents. Select it once and then click Recover Unsaved Documents. From here, it's gone into your local app data and it's trying to see if there's anything in there that may have not been saved. It actually looks for unsaved files called .asd. As you can see, I've got a file here that is not been saved. When you select it and click open, it will try and recover that file. For the next method, we're going to be looking into Windows. To do this, we're going to press the Windows key on our keyboard and press R. And this should pop up. This is Run. This is where we can find particular folders that we want. And you're going to type in the following. I'll put this in the description below. %, temp, %. Simply put, it's your temporary folder. Click OK. Then, in the new window that should appear, will be a range of different files and folders. Don't worry, I'm not going to make you sort through all of them. We're going to look for type at the top. If you can't see it, just right-click the banner and then simply click type. From here, we're going to select on this downward arrow. Select it once. And hopefully we can identify some Microsoft Word files. As you can see, I've got Microsoft Word AutoRecovery document here. I'm going to select this once. This will filter it down to all those Microsoft Word documents. And now here is a recovery file. I know this because it says Microsoft Word AutoRecovery document and it has that .asd. Double click it and it will try and recover that file. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn other hidden Microsoft Word tips and tricks, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.